The question goes like this. Rupees 7,500 were divided equally among a certain number of children. Had there been 20 less children, each would have received 100 rupees more. Find the original number of children. So here there are two cases discussed. First case is the amount to be divided is rupees 7,500, and let's take the original number of children be equal to x. So the share that each child gets is equal to 7,500 by x. The second case is the amount to be divided is same, which is 7,500. Had there been 20 less children, that is, the new number of children is 20 less than the initial, which is x minus 20. The share per person is 7,500 by x minus 20. In the second case, number of children are less by 20, so our share will be more. That is, share 2 is equal to share 1 plus 100. Share 2 is 7,500 upon x minus 20. Share 1 is 7,500 upon x plus 100. Taking the terms containing x on one side, 7,500 is common in both the terms on the LHS. So taking that out, we are left with 1 upon x minus 20 minus 1 upon x within bracket is equal to 100. 75 times x minus x plus 20 upon x into x minus 20 is 1. That is 1500 is equal to x square minus 20x. Writing this in the standard form, we get x square minus 20x minus 1500 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation which represents the given situation. Minus 1500 is a constant. For that, let's take minus 50 and plus 30 as the two factors. If we multiply these two factors, we get minus 1500, and if we add these two factors, we get the middle terms b, which is minus 20. So rewriting the middle term, x square minus 50x plus 30x minus 1500 is equal to 0. From this we get x minus 50 times x plus 30 is equal to 0. The two values of x 50 and minus 30. Minus 30 stands invalid as x cannot be negative since x denotes the number of children. Therefore, x is equal to 50. That is, original number of children is equal to 50. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos.